Welcome to our tutorial on how to manually add drivers to your Zeo Route Planner. First, click on the driver's icon on the Zeo taskbar. Next, select Add Driver. A new page will appear where you need to enter the driver's details like name. Enter the driver's name. This name will be visible to customers during location tracking. It helps avoid confusion when assigning routes. Email is a mandatory field. This identifies the driver. It allows managers to connect with them via the Driver app. Start and stop time. Specify the times the driver begins and ends their shift, using a 24-hour format. Break time. Enter any times the driver is unavailable during their shift. Phone number. Provide this if you want to share the driver's contact details during delivery tracking. Store location. Select the operational store or warehouse location from a drop-down menu. This is the starting point for their routes. Vehicle. Assign a vehicle from a drop-down list. If you need to add new vehicles, see our tutorial on adding vehicles to your fleet. Skills. Define the driver's specialization from a drop-down menu of skills. For adding new skills, refer to our tutorial on defining different skills or job types for drivers. Once all details are filled in, click Save. Your new driver will now be listed. And that's it. You have successfully added a driver manually to the Zeo Route Planner. Thanks for watching.